Complementary angles are two angles that, when put together or added, have a sum of 90 degrees. It says 90 degrees. When those two angles, like in the picture here, angle Q, SR, and angle RST, how those two angles are side by side, when they're side by side together and they're adjacent, then they make a right angle. So we will write in here, in the diagram, I'm going to start with Q. So angle QST, and then in here we'll write angle, I'm writing angle symbol first, angle RST. Those two angles are complementary angles because when added together they equal 90 degrees. So when added together they equal 90 degrees. Complementary angles are not always adjacent, meaning they don't always have to be side by side. Any two angles that, when you add them, they equal 90, we consider complementary. So an angle is considered another angle's complement when, if you add them together, they equal 90. So in example A here, we're saying there's an angle A plus 45. So in other words, what would I add to 45 to get 90? Then angle A I can subtract, and I realize that angle A would also be 45. So these would be two angles of the same measure, and when you add them you get 90. Or what would I, in part B would be, what would I add to 82 so that when my answer, so that I would get 90. So that's how you're going to solve those problems. Go ahead and pause now and try to solve B and C. So the answer for the complement to 82 degrees would be 8, because 82 plus 8 equals 90. And the complement for 23 degrees would be 67, because 67 plus 23 equals 90.